my fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Start this next video, let's get it rolling. Get you guys a little bit of box action. This shoe is the Air Force One 07 Level 8 Psychic Blue and Psychic Blue. Not bad. It's an okay shoe. I got it because it reminded me of the Jordan 1 High OGs that just came out. It's got a similar fabric. You know, if you wore Air Force One, you know Air Force Ones. One of my friends where I'm from, he just let me know that everybody's looking for Air Force Ones, so I keep running into different ones. If you need Air Force Ones, let me know. White on white. Got a couple of rares and limited editions. I'm really not an Air Force One guy anymore. I own a bunch of them because I'm from the hood. And they're Air Force Ones. This one has a little bit of like a acid wash tag in the back. The same suede from the Jordan 1 High OGs, in my opinion. Some type of same material, a little bit like leather material, maybe the UNCs. But it's in that same vein. If you like those and you couldn't get those, and you wouldn't mind Air Force One, has that little high OG material in the back, gray leather into the white leather here. It's just an awesome shoe altogether, in my opinion. If you can get a pair of these, like I said, you like Air Force Ones, I can't see why you wouldn't. Want a pair of these, get you guys a little bit of bottom action. Then we'll get you a 360 with the light on. Nothing special about this shoe. Like I said, if you like Air Force Ones, then it's an Air Force One, I think, that you should look into. If you like hints of color, this is a little acetone Air Force One tag. I hope you guys can make that out there. Shoe is all just a white on white Air Force with hints of gray and blue. But this looks so good. Like I said, if you couldn't get the high OGs, or you don't like Jordans, or you don't like high shoes, this is definitely a good alternative. Get this shoe, and you'll definitely be happy. I think I'm going to keep some of these for myself, because I'm not even an Air Force guy, but like I said, this material here and this back tab just makes the shoe pop. Makes it different than a normal Air Force One. I guess that's why they call them level 8s. Probably takes it to level 8. Let's get you guys one more 360. And then we'll end with a side view. Definitely go pick your shoe up, guys. Like I said, if you're an Air Forcer, if you're a Jordanite, no matter who you is, pick up a pair of these shoes. It's just a good shoe. Right now, I think they're going for about $1.50 on StockX. If you can't find them in the store, plus whatever their shipping fees are, we have them for $110 in the shop while they last. Guys, this is just an awesome shoe. That's going to sell out fast because people been coming in buying 20, 30 pairs of Air Force Ones at one pop. Alright guys, let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, we're back with this next shoe. You can see the box. Let's get you 360. You guys know what this box is. It's another one of the Adidas Simpson collaborations. Let's let the box focus. Come on, box. Doesn't want to focus, but there we go. This is the Adidas ZX 1000 Simpsons Flaming Moes, purple, brilled, and black. Just got this shoe, like I said, to keep the Simpsons collection going. Trying to own every Simpsons shoe ever created. Get this box right, guys. So I got a couple of my paper up. Bang. Let's get this shoe up here for you guys. Nothing special about the shoe. I never bought a ZX 1000. A friend of mine told me he has a couple pairs and maybe some ZX 800s. I may never wear the shoe. My dad told me he likes it. It seems like a good running shoe. I give you an extra pair of black and gold laces. Nothing spectacular, a weird looking bottom. Let's get you guys some 360 with the light on. The only thing I didn't like about the shoes, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's like it comes pre-creased. I don't know if that's a ZX 1000 thing. Mine just as bad. Like I said, overall it's a good shoe. Just having the Flaming Moe. One of my favorite, we're going to call it the Flaming Homer. Good colorway. Good wearable shoe. Get you guys a little bit of top action so you kind of see this Flaming Moes. It's the little Flaming Moes, and I want you guys to see the crease I was talking about. It's already creased. I'm going to put a sole protector in there if I do wear it, but I think this shoe is just a different type of shoe. Because I didn't research the ZX 100s, or 1000s, I apologize, but to get you a side silhouette, what everybody will see when the shoe is on your foot. Alright, let's get on to the next shoe, guys. Alright guys, let's get on with this last shoe for this video. Out of box, you already know what this is. Let me get you guys a little bit of box action. This is the new generic Jordan box. They're going away from the black and gold. These are the Air Jordan 7 Retro White and Varsity Purple, aka the Flints. I don't know how I feel about this shoe. I have the original. This version is inferior to the original in my opinion, but it is what it is. A lot of people love Jordan 7s. The suede is not bad. I'm going to keep this shoe in the collection, I guess. Suede is not bad. Resale on these, you should be able to find these at any store or online if you want a pair. I don't think it should be too hard. I think these are even selling on StockX for under retail. So if you really want a pair of these Flint 7s, you can have a pair. Now, I don't know what's going to happen a year from now, 2 years from now, will these Flints be wanted? I don't know what happened now. It's a good colorway, in my opinion. Let me get you guys a little bit of light action. It's an everyday wearer. Somebody sending me some messages in the background. Yeah. But this is a good shoe. Nah, I mean, I've seen a lot of people wearing it. That's how I know that it's accessible. The tumbled leather isn't bad. The suede on mine was kind of messed up, I guess, because the rubbing from where the delivery man delivered it. Cut this light out. But overall, it's still a good shoe. Like I said, if you're a Jordan 7 fan, I don't know why you wouldn't want this shoe. But we're going to wrap up the video, guys. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what Jordans or other shoes you want to see on the channel next. Do you want to see more ZX 1000s or things like that? Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down on the sneakers. And everybody, make sure you stay safe out there. We're getting to the end of this. But I want to see everybody after all this is through. All right, take it easy, guys. Have a nice day. Everybody fucking jump!